my breakfast. So we got a sunny side up egg, bacon, and bread. I baked this bread. I didn't make the bread, but I baked the bread. It was already made. You just put it in the oven. And of course, with some butter and black coffee. Kakauwi lang ng asawa ko. Galing siyang town. Pumili siyang madaming tinapay. So yan, tinapay. Paborito namin to pag sa barbecue. Tapos ito is masarap din to. Ready to bake na siya. So ilagay mo lang siya sa oven ng 15 minutes. 10-15 minutes ata. And then ready na siya. Tsaka napakasarap niya. Yung crunchy. Tsaka napakasarap. Ito ay rice na ilagay mo lang siya sa microwave. Sabi ng asawa ko wala na silang jasmine rice. Kaya ito na lang yung ito na lang yung mga tira na rice. Easy lang naman siya, lagay lang sa microwave. Tapos ito din ay isang rice na whole grain rice. Ang ginawa namin dito, mini-mix namin siya with the white rice para mas syrup. At saka ang aking anchovy na ginamos ko. Ayan, this is my fave na anchovy. Ayan. So yan yung binili niya. Nagpunta siyang town kasama si Molly Moo. Nagmo-moment lang ako kasi kakatapos ko maligo. Tapos nag-moisturizer ako. Tapos pagkatapos ko maglagay ng moisturizer, ito yung nakita ko. Bam! Ano yan? Ay nako, ang skin ko, nagpi-play up na naman. Kasi hindi ako natutulog ng maayos. Kasi sa kakawaiti ko, kaya yung skin ko sabi, Jans, tulog-tulog din be. Kaya, di ko alam. I don't know what to do. Hayaan ko na lang to. Mawawala din to. Pero, okay lang. Ano? Here's the Barbie ready. That's ready. That's ready. So we're having some pork. This is one of my fave. That's pork. Burger, kebab, of course some beer. And there's Molly. As always, sunbathing. I'm not cooking. We had barbecue earlier. And then we'll have some rice, Uncle Ben's, which you only put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Here's the rice. And just put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And then I'm having pork. So this is the pork barbecue earlier on. Just cut it. Just cut it into pieces. So it's easy for me to eat it. It's easy for us to throw a barbecue in the garden because we have a gas barbecue, so we don't need coal. This is easy. Okay, so that's my pork, and then our rice. Just put it in here. And the rice is a bit spicy. And then I made noodles last night, which I still have a bit left from the noodles. And then I'll show you. So this is my dinner. That's the Mexican rice. And then that's the Chinese style pork. And then my husband barbecued it. That's the noodles left over last night. And that's my dinner. You know, sarap no? Yun ko na lang kasi hindi niyo nakikita. Gusto ko lang magkamay. Yan yung pork. Masarap niya kasi binabarbecue siya. At saka yung rice, medyo ano siya, medyo maanghang. Ang easy lang ng rice na lutuin kasi ilagay mo lang siya sa microwave 2 minutes. Tapos. Ang sarap niya kasi yung kanin medyo maanghang. Nag-complement sa pork. Ano pa? Ito yung noodles na tira ko kagabi. Kasi nagluto ako ng noodles kagabi tapos nilagyan ko siya ng spam. Hindi ko naubos. So, nilagay ko siya sa fridge para ubusin ko siya. Kasi sayang, di ba? Alangan itapon. Nakahate ko ang magtapon ng anong pagkain. Sarap. Sarap niya. Yeah, my husband is having some snacks. He's having some popcorn with chocolate. Because the popcorn is what? Flavored what?
Sweet and salty.
Sweet and salty, and then put chocolate. Yummers. But you want to melt the chocolate in the microwave so you can dip the.
I like it like this.
That looks.